Hey y'all, Tim Malman Jr. here, Mama Asylum. Today I'm doing whoosh, Bird Dog Jalapeno Honey flavored whiskey. Now, Bird Dog is a flavor that has many varieties. Always in their signature bottle with their signature doggy. This is 80 proof. I haven't done a lot of Bird Dog just because it seems so uh, generic to me. But this one really piqued my interest. And this bad boy was 1995. So you're dropping that 20 down on this bitch, getting 5 cents up back. You can put that in your pocket or your wallet, or drop it in a little coin thing. And yeah, anyways, let's get into this bitch. Fucking 80 proof. I wonder if this is gonna be good. Jalapeno honey, huh? It sounds like it's gonna be delicious. You know what I mean? All right. They got the real wood. They got the real cork. This is the quality right there, you guys. It's ASMR time. So be sure to turn this bitch up. Okay. Shh. That was actually fucking weak. So all I'm getting is isopropyl. That's it. But it's very mild. It's not an instant right up into your eyeballs, making them fucking cry. Um, let's just get into it. Let's give you guys this honey jalapeno. So let's do it. Wow. All right. There's a thick flavor of honey that just fucking just engulfs your tongue. Once it opens up and mixes around inside of your mouth, a little bit of heat comes and hits your ears. Um, it's very mild in the spice. But I can already tell that if you consume more of this, the spice is going to build. The honey in itself is actually very pleasant, and you don't taste any of that alcohol flavor whatsoever inside of this bottle. This is a fucking 9.3. I do highly recommend. It's $20 per bottle. Um, Now I know most alcoholics, you guys shop on the bottom shelf. This is actually a bottom shelf product. But $20, I mean, I understand. You can easily buy other stuff. But I do encourage, if you are an alcoholic, to kind of like revert back a little bit and get yourself a nice glass and enjoy the alcohol and its flavors. There's millions of different alcohol flavors out there. Find the one that's right for you. And then, go a little bit more expensive and enjoy a glass. I mean, you can still be your alcoholic self and enjoy a glass of some good whiskey. Um, you just got to find your brand. For me, when it comes to whiskey, I don't have a favorite brand at all. But I do enjoy putting in a glass and sipping it. This one I actually would buy again and keep it on my shelf, and probably be the only one I ever do buy again, because it's everything that I enjoy as far as a flavor. Anyways, that's a review. I'm Tim Allen Jr. Now fuck off.